In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to add a payment method in Odoo. This guide is perfect if you're just getting started with Odoo, or if you're setting up your business operations and want to start accepting payments from customers the right way. We'll go through logging in, navigating the Odoo interface, enabling the right apps, and finally, configuring a payment method so it's ready to use. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and business software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to odoo.com. Then click on the Login option to access your Odoo account. If you already have an account, simply sign in with your credentials. If you're new to Odoo, you can create a free account or use a demo database to follow along without any risk. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Odoo dashboard where all your apps and modules are displayed. From the dashboard, click on the Apps menu. This is where you can enable or install additional Odoo modules depending on your business needs. To manage payments properly, you'll typically need apps like accounting, invoicing, sales, or CRM depending on your setup. In this example, we'll start by selecting an app like CRM or accounting so we can access payment-related settings. If the app isn't installed yet, click on it and then choose Start Now. Odoo will guide you through activating the app, and if you're using the free trial or demo database, this step only takes a moment. After the app is active, go back to the main dashboard. Now look for the accounting or invoicing app and click to open it. This is where payment methods are usually managed in Odoo. Inside the accounting app, navigate to the configuration menu. Under configuration, click on payment methods or payment providers, depending on your Odoo version. Here you'll see a list of available payment methods such as bank transfer, cash, checks, or online payment providers like Stripe or PayPal. To add a new payment method, click on Create or Activate next to the payment provider you want to use. If you're adding a manual payment method such as cash or bank transfer, you can simply name the method, select the journal, and save your changes. If you're setting up an online payment provider, select the provider and click Configure. You'll be asked to enter details like API keys, secret keys, or account information provided by the payment service. Carefully copy these details from your payment provider's dashboard and paste them into Odoo. Make sure to double-check everything before saving, as incorrect details can prevent payments from going through. Once saved, you can test the payment method by creating a sample invoice or sales order and checking whether the new payment option appears at checkout. If everything is set up correctly, your customers will now be able to pay using the payment method you just added. And that's it, you've successfully added a payment method in Odoo and configured it for use in your business. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.